Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and today we are going to talk about how to use Gmail email snippets for free email templates. So obviously why we use snippets, because like just suppose you have a business and you get so many emails from your customers and most of them are very similar. So if you want to send them a single similar message, it would be so hectic for you and very time consuming also, and to type every single thing and the same thing again and again for multiple consumers or customers. So what you can do, you can take help from snippets. And Gmail, especially, uh, Google also gives you an extension for like as a name of snippets, right? So we're just gonna do that in this tutorial, and right now we are getting to start it. So obviously there's one more thing I wanted to tell you, that this is only applies on Gmail accounts and Gmail only, because if someone's trying to this like on Yahoo Mail or different like Hotmail, different email setups, but obviously it won't work there because this is Gmail account, and obviously you need a Gmail account too. And Google snippets, this is a Google snippet. So I'm just going to mention that, because if some people are wondering if it works on Yahoo Mail or not, so that's why. So first thing first, obviously if we need extension for Google, we need to go add Google extensions, right? Or you can just write easily on top Chrome extensions, or I'm just gonna write the whole URL. If you like, if you should know about this, right? So once you like search this, and Chrome Web Store would open for you. These are the extensions, and obviously you would need a Google account for this tutorial, right? Because we are talking about Gmail. Exactly. So what you need to search, you need to search Google snippets, oh sorry, Gmail snippets. And once you search this, you can see that the first one, which is Gmail snippets by Cloud HQ. So just remember that you are going to install this extension. Once you click on it, you will end up seeing this, and you can obviously overview this, privacy practices and every single thing, even reviews. Obviously what you need to do, you need to click on add to Chrome, and it will ask for like add extension, obviously. And once you click on it, and it will like automatically redirect you sometimes to Gmail, or like obviously for your Gmail, and show you multiple things. You'll see that what I'm talking about. Once you click on add extension, it would take some time, and here we are. As you can see that we ended up on our Gmail, and this is what I have seen right now. And you can see Gmail snippets and save your time, etc, etc, whatever they are saying, I'm going to show you. And click close, and on the top right corner you can see T plus. So once you click on it, you can see all the snippets over here. So what these snippets do actually, so as you can see, these are the snippets, slash answer, and what would be the answer, which is like I'll get back to you shortly with an answer. So these are some snippets example that Gmail or Google provides you, like how it works. So if you want to add, obviously you can see this button, click on this. So you want to add a shortcut, what would be? So I'm just gonna write like uh, M and I. So for what it does, like MNI, simple, just name this shortcut. And what would be the content? So I'm gonna write my name is. So simple is that, right? So once, like if I want to write this again and again, I just need to write this, and everything will show up like this. This would be our content, and this would be our name for this shortcut. So just remember that, like remembering every single thing and actually organizing them. So this is how you can do that. So there's one more thing over here which is happening, like on the bottom you can see few replaceable variables: first name, last name, name, email, or day of the week. So what it does, just suppose you have your email written over here, and you want to send a message to and like everyone at the same time, but you cannot name them like individually, right? So what you can do, just suppose like this is an email I want to send, right? And I want to send this to multiple people with their name, by the way. So I'm just gonna write over here hi, and that's it. My name is Imran, right? After that, I'm just going to copy this and copy that and paste over here. What it does, that it will copy every single person's name by itself, whoever I'm going to send like my email. So I don't need to write every single name for every single person for my email to send, and individually I'm going to write their name like hi this, hi that. I just want to put this, even though with the last name also, the name, email, and even the day of the week. So this is how it works. So if just suppose I just want to do this, so I'm gonna save this one, and you can see over here. uh, so how am I going to use these snippets? So first of all, obviously you just need to click on compose, and whoever you are going to write this email, and that email have their like first name, it will automatically generate their name. So how? So what you can do, you can just easily click over here and just click on like backslash, and once you click on, you can see that you will have all of your snippets will be over here, will appear over here. And I have just created this one, right? If I click on this, and you can see this first name, right? Suppose I have so many people over here like with the email, and their email have, obviously their email would have someone like with their first name, right? It will automatically generate their name, and it will be sent by their name. So it's very cool, and it's very easy to send same email to every single person out there. In my opinion, it's one of the best extension that Gmail have provided us so far. So there's one more thing I want to like show you, that on the bottom you can see T plus over here, manage Gmail snippets. So if you want to create ASAP, like whatever you want to create, you can just click on it, and you can just create from this message. If you want to create some snippets from this message, you can also do that. Otherwise, you can just browse your whole snippets, whatever you have made, and whatever you can see, like whatever you wanted to see. So you can just browse it from over here. You don't need to go back to on the top, and you know what I'm saying. So that's it. This is how you are going to save time with Gmail email snippets, and it's one of the best out there, best extension. And I hope you understand every single thing. Thanks for watching this video. We hope that this video was useful and informative. So if you found this video helpful, then please like and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.